And here I find myself again, doing something I haven't done in a long time. Brought one rod with me, and a spinning rod at that. It's in my favorite little spot here at the park. I'm gonna be throwing strictly finesse today, and I've never caught anything on a fluke. There's a zoom fluke here. Gonna work on this a little bit, see what happens. So I pretty much plan on beating this bank up today. I walk up and down this bank with different baits tied on. I've seen fish and there's fish jumping. All right, move down the bank a little bit. Got little guy, little one. Little tiny guy. There we go. The dinkiest of the dinks. Oh, that's, you get a hook in your hand right there. Oh, he's got a whole crawdad in his freaking mouth. You see that? Huh. This guy got a whole crawdad in his mouth. Can't really see that, but it's a little tiny guy. A little bitty. He's barely bigger than my hand. Barely bigger than a jerkbait. They're almost same size. Get out of here. At least I got something. Everybody likes catching big fish, but you know what? I do too. But I like to catch fish. All shapes and sizes. I'll take them. If you guys don't want them, I do. Oh wow, big crawdad right there. Well, the crawdads are finally out. Got to tie on the Ned rig. Yeah, that's 2 signs of crawdads being eaten already, so I'm gonna tie on a little Ned rig. There we go, little tiny TRD craw, and like the delta looking red color on a weedless Nedlock's head, because like I said earlier, it's not easy to fish any type of jig head here. There's a whole weed line like thick right there. Getting big, getting big, getting big. Got one. Got one on the Ned rig. Yes. Oh, no, he came off. Oh, wow, he came off. Oh, that doesn't count. But they're eating crawdads. The tide is going out pretty quick. Water's just dropping pretty fast. Pretty soon I'm only gonna have weeds here, so I'm wondering if I should toss on one of those little paddle tails while the tide is still. I got some room here to fish it. I think I will real quick. Let's look at that little guy. I think it's a little Berkeley jig head with a, I think this is a Kitech. I'm not really sure. The father-in-law gave me a whole bunch of old baits and those were in there, so try to toss this around for a minute while we still got a little bit of depth here. Oh, got bit as soon as I tossed it over there. As soon as it hit the top of the water. Come on, stay on. It's a decent little fish too. Come on, turn. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't coming off. It's a decent little fish, a little clean one. Like a pound. Maybe. He's got a crawdad pinchers down his throat too. Some good pinchers down his throat and a little parasite on his roof of his mouth. Yeah. Check that out. I'm tossing this thing till the tide goes out. Hell yeah. Good little fish. Man, as soon as that hit the water over there, that guy was on it. I try to reel it in quickly to get it off the weeds. You can see picking off freaking stuff anyway. Yeah, right in that little bluegill little paddle tail. Cool. Okay, I think it's time to go to that spot under the freeway. It's getting a little too grassy here. Need to tie a new leader to it. Thing's all chewed up from the Ned rig on the rocks. I shall return. Alright, ain't been here in a while. It's gonna be super loud, but I'm right underneath the I-5 freeway by Walmart here in Stockton. And I spent some decent time wearing them out here on a wacky rig. Let's try it out. Nothing's happening here. All right, well, I tried that spot for a little bit, but it's a little windy, it's a little loud, it's kind of sketchy. Some homeless people are sleeping under the bridge right over there, and well, some sketchy looking dudes walked up and they were asking me, oh, you catch anything? Oh, where'd you get your fishing pole from and all that stuff? So I was like, here, and I just left. So kind of gotta stay on your toes. You never know, people, they seem like they're cool and then they end up trying to rob you, you know, so you gotta be careful, watch out for stuff like that. I just decided to quit while I was ahead. I caught a couple fish at my park spot, and I'll take that as a win. Just took a little time trying to work on my finesse stuff. I never fish a Ned rig. I never fish a fluke, so glad to get at least some fish. I don't care how small they were on those baits, and just go out with a spinning rod. It's so simple and honestly kind of fun, just the simplicity of it. But yeah, a little more luck next time. Hopefully I won't lose any Ned rig fish. That's it, calling that a day.